Welcome to knockoutcrypto.com. Thank you for following our channel. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner there. This is an educational and informational channel. Don't forget to subscribe in the bottom right hand corner. Click that button. Follow us for all the up-to-date videos and cryptocurrency. We're on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, Knockout Crypto. This is an educational and investment channel. I'm not a registered investment advisor. We don't provide investment advice. Do your own research before making any decisions. You are responsible for any decisions that you make or any losses that you may sustain. So why should you join knockoutcrypto.com? Well, we give you all access to the next big crypto report, which is an in-depth report on the next big crypto and cryptocurrency, up to 15 insider in-depth research videos on crypto projects a month, access to exclusive trading alerts, hidden gem videos, undervalued video series, trading alert videos, new coin of the week videos. Join knockoutcrypto.com now. You can join for less than $2 a month. Less than $2 a month, the price of a small fry. You could join and get, all access to a lot of the different things that we have. So definitely check out knockoutcrypto.com. So that's our trading push for you guys. That's our quick advertisement push. So today's video is actually about the BitZ token. BitZ is a cryptocurrency exchange. It is ranked as the BitZ is actually a cryptocurrency exchange based in Hong Kong. They are the 11th largest exchange by volume, 24-hour volume on CoinMarketCap, at $128 million within 24 hours. And as you can see, this BitZ token here, this is their token. They now have a token on the exchange that's doing about, looks like they're doing about $11 million worth of volume on their own token on their exchange, the BitZ token. And after Binance created their own token, we saw that other tokens were made. So BitZ is the ecological token issued by the BitZ exchange, abbreviated as BZ. It does not publicly raise funds from investors. The initial stage of BZ is based on the Ethereum 20 agreement. In the future, BZ mainnet will establish more ecological models to boost the development of the platform based on the global development platform of the BZ group. BZ will have a good asset value preservation, expected value added space, and stable market liquidity. The value space of BZ can be imagined. BZ is bringing a series of ecological core welfare benefits to the BZ group. So basically, they have their own token. Let's get into let's get into what the token does and what is the BZ exchange. So basically the BitZ exchange, established in Hong Kong in December 2016, is one of the most popular digital asset trading exchanges, providing professional digital asset trading and over-the-counter services. Now, BitZ has listed over 100 tokens and over 140 trading pairs, with over 1 million registered users and over 250,000 online traders for 24 hours. Look at this here. They have over 1 million registered users on BitZ. And it's located in Hong Kong, which means it's free for some of the American regulation. So this is could be a pretty good project to look at. So let's look into the coin, the BZ coin, and figure out what the coin is about. The BZ coin has a total issuing supply of 1.2 billion and will not be increased. The allocation is 10% to the early founding fund. Security risk fund is 10%. The group ecological construction fund is 20%. The group operating fund is 10%. And then the 50% platform dividend fund. Now, this is what investors are going to be interested in. 50% of the total used for global partners to share a new model of dividends. BitZ defines 1 million users as its partners and is committed to building the world's largest trading platform, and always works with users to promote the new development of global platform blockchain ecological construction. So they're committed, and here you have the platform sharing model. So BitZ contributes 50% of BZ's $600 million to its global partner share of dividend distribution through trading mining. Traders who participate in the transaction during the event will receive a refund of the transaction fee. So there you get a little detail on how does that work and how they plan on giving it back to the people who hold the BZ token. So BZ global partners can enjoy BitZ BitZ profit distribution every quarter. The proportion of the dividends will increase by 5% per year, and the upper limit is 35%. The first year is 20%, the second year is 25%, the third year is 30%, the fourth year is 35%, and the fifth year is 35%. So after the mining, the quarterly dividends are calculated after a natural month. For example, if the mining is completed on January 5th, 2019, the dividend calculation cycle for the first quarter is from February 1st, 2019 to April 30th, 2019. BZ Global Partners will get BitZ profit distribution according to BZ holding amount. So how much you hold would let you know how much profit you get. BZ Global Partners can enjoy the transaction fee deduction. After completing mining, BZ holders can choose to pay the transaction fee with BZ while trading on BitZ. When BZ offsets the transaction fee, the offset ratio will be adjusted from 30% to 80% according to the operation rules. So this is kind of similar to BNB, where you can pay your trading fees at BNB, or you can trade it with, so it's very similar to the Binance coin. And I think the Binance coin was such a good idea that every exchange is now trying to have their own coin. But I think the BZ coin and the BitZ exchange is one to look at because they're one of the larger exchanges out there. So there's some participation mechanism. After completing mining, global partners can get VIP service according to their locked position. After completing mining, according to the locked position, global partners can get advanced quality currency purchase rights based on the BitZ plan. After completing mining, according to the locked position, global partners can get double activity award based on the BitZ plan. So once again, you see that. Global recruitment of operating partners who can participate in the BitZ supernodes to get encouraging bonus while enjoying the same benefits and rights of the BZ founding team. So this is really big what they're doing here, and how they plan on rewarding people for holding the BZ coin, and also having this mining mechanism where you get rewarded as well. And also you'll be able to pay for your transaction fees with your BZ token on the BitZ exchange. So yeah, that is basically the breakdown of the BitZ exchange token, the BZ token. Let me know what you think about it, and how this is something that could benefit those who want to invest in an exchange, which is normally the exchanges is where the money is at. I mean, I think one of the key things for investing is this right here. They have over 1 million registered users, so they already have a community. You have 1 million registered users. And the second thing that gets me is they're already doing 128 million in volume every 24-hour volume. So that's pretty impressive. And they're the 11th ranked exchange in the world, ahead of Coinbase Pro, ahead of Kraken, ahead of some pretty big names. They're ahead of some of those names, and they're ahead of Bitstamp. They're right there with, you look at BitZ. BitZ is right there with LBank, Buybox, Upbit, HitBTC, Bitfinex, and some of the top exchanges in the world. So they have their own token now. So let's see what happens. Will this token be adopted? And they're doing a lot of volume with the BZ token. They're doing about $11 million in volume already, and the token just hit the exchange today or yesterday. So it's very impressive to see how the token is doing. I would definitely say keep an eye out on this project. Once again, before we go further, I want to get you guys know you could join Knockout Crypto. Why you should join is, we got 15 videos, in-depth research videos. We have the next big crypto report. We have exclusive trading alerts, hidden gem videos, undervalued videos, trading alert videos, new coin of the week, all of that. You could join for $2 a month. We have different levels. We have $5 a month, $10 a month, where you can get more trading and in-depth research on cryptocurrencies. Also, just thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Subscribe to the channel. You can find us on YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. Let me know what you think about the BZ token and the BitZ exchange. Do you think this exchange will grow even further? Let me know what you think about the BitZ exchange and the token that they have now, which is the BitZ token. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you for following New Crypto Coin. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Have a good evening.